Hi guys, it's Tanya M. Period. Welcome back to my channel. I have another wig review brought to you by Luvme. I absolutely love their packages. It's like a present every time I get one and open her. Before we get into the wig, look at some of the goodies they sent me. A lace melting band. They also sent me over a wig bag to store my wig. A rewards program pamphlet, a comb, and a silk wrap. So you can like melt your baby hair, some wig caps, and some other goodies. Now let's get into this wig. She is a beautiful coily curly wig. It does have transparent 5x5 lace closure. It comes with a wig band on the inside, two combs on the side and a comb in the back with the adjustable, I call them the bra strap, adjustable straps. That comes usually in a traditional wig construction. And so yeah, let's go ahead and tint her. I'm using my Ebon Lace Tinting Spray, and so now we're going to go ahead and apply her. So this does come with the lace that you do have to cut off. Do not leave the lace on like this, ladies. But they do offer an option for them to cut the lace for you. And it's just an extra $5 charge. This is great for those people who do not know how to, customize a wig. These wigs, Luvme helps you so much. You can just purchase the wig and plop her on your head. So I'm gonna go ahead and just cut the lace off. I will be cutting in like a zigzag, and you'll see what I mean, because this helps. So if you want to cut the lace yourself, say $5, just cut straight across, but cut in a zigzag. That way it's not an even cut, and you won't be able to tell where the lace, it'll just melt right into your skin. Now, as y'all see, the curls are really tight right now. This is how it looks straight out of the pack, and y'all know I got you. I'm gonna show you exactly what to do. But look how it just lays right on my skin. It melts right in. You cannot tell that where the lace starts or where it ends. This is where I'm going to define the curls. We're going to saturate the hair with water. I'm going to do this in sections. I'm very impatient, so my sections are large. I did it in 3 big sections, but you can go in with smaller sections. After I soak the hair with the water, I'm going to go ahead and just brush her out. This hair was so soft and it was so easy to detangle. A lot of other wigs, it's just really hard, but this hair is such high quality. It was just so easy to get the brush through it. But after I detangle it, look how pretty those curls are. They are so juicy and popping. I'm going to take some of this Cantu curling cream and just rake it through each section. Not too much, not too little. And then I want those curls defined how they were before I brushed it out. Like how you see on the right side, I want it to be the same. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my finger and just twirl it until they become cute coils, because this wig's feature is the coils in the front. We love the coils, I did 2 methods. I did finger coil and I did this method with the brush. It wasn't working out too much well for me. I gotta practice because I haven't done this before, but I found success with the finger coils more so than trying to create the coils with the brush. So yeah, I'm basically going to repeat this process until I get it to my liking, and I'm going to do that for each section, except I'm not going to really do the finger coils in the back. It's just really to frame the face. While you're watching me get through these beautiful curls and create this beautiful look on this wig, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and comment down below. Tell me how you like this wig, and tell me if there's any other looks you would like to see from me. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I will be posting more photos and reels of myself with this wig. And here is the final look. The curls and coils are super bouncy. Stay tuned for my final thoughts on this wig. Okay guys, I'm back and this is the final results of the install. Very simple. I absolutely love this wig. Just some information. She is a 5x5 closure unit, so she's glueless. I did not glue this wig down. It lays very, very flush to the hair, the scalp, or the hairline. So there's no lifting, which is, I absolutely love that about Luvme. Their caps are, and in my opinion, are universal. So they're meant for small heads, bigger heads, regular size, medium heads. So I really do love that about this. This is the 16-inch that is on sale for just under 200. They do have the 14-inch, which is only 2 more inches off of this if you're looking for something cheaper for $169. The lace did not come pre-cut on here, but you can pay to get the lace pre-cut if you're not good at that. I love Luvme because, so it sounds funny, I love Luvme because their wigs, when I say beginner friendly, they're truly beginner friendly. I have not gotten a Luvme wig that I don't love. I would definitely say I have not gotten a Luvme wig that I do not love. That was so super easy, so simple. If you know how to style your own natural hair, you know how to style this wig. They came with the little coils in the front. After I combed it out, I just finger coiled it again. I tried to do it with the brush as well, but I wasn't that successful. But I just finger coiled it again to get that same effect. They look even more better than when this once is combed out. So yeah, I remember I had a semi-viral video on YouTube. Like, I don't know how many years ago. It was a while ago. Probably like 2018. And it was a similar wig, but it was like a lace frontal. This is a closure. I prefer closures over lace frontals any day. But I went viral. That wig got so many views. That video got so many views, and I sold it. I sold it, and I was mad ever since I sold it because I'm like, I really love that wig because this matches my natural hair texture, except it's fuller. My natural hair over the years has, you know, thinned out as it does with age, but this was like, this matches my natural texture, but thicker. So I am in love with this unit. Even with the closure, you can switch it to the side if you want. It's a little lopsided because of the cut, but you can just, you know, cut it if you're good at that, or get a stylist to do it. You can also add accessories. I didn't take my hot comb to push it up. I just don't think it's necessary, but you can do a little pony updos. This is very cute. A+. Luvme, they always get A+s from me. I love doing reviews for them, and I'm just in love. Don't forget that they will probably, most likely, I don't have it yet, but I'll put it in the description box when they send me the code for a discount. And also they offer Afterpay, Zip, and Sezzle. So if you can't pay for it in one whop, just get, you know, do it on a payment plan. You know, it's very easy. I use that all the time when I want to make larger purchases, but I don't want to spend all that cash at once. So I do love them for that as well. I might give them a blonde wig from them, because I've been looking for a blonde wig. But anyways, tell me what you think in the description box. Tell me if you're gonna, description box. Tell me what you think in the comments if you're gonna buy it. If you like reviews like this one and you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe and then hit the notification bells, honey, because they won't tell you when I upload if you don't hit the notification bell. Okay. And go ahead and head over to TikTok and Instagram. I'll be posting more reels and photos of myself in this unit. Thank you for watching. Love y'all. Stay blessed.